Hello, I'm Dylan Donovan, a real estate broker with Chestnut Park, an affiliate of Christie's International Real Estate. I'm here today in front of 75 On The Esplanade, a beautiful new building in the heart of St. Lawrence Market, one of my absolute favorite neighborhoods in the city. I'm excited to take you on a tour of one of the beautiful penthouse suites just completed up on the 29th floor. Let's go up and take a look. Welcome to Penthouse 2. This is an incredible 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom suite situated on the southeast corner of the building. We have over 1,800 square feet of living space, plus an amazing 600 square foot outdoor terrace that takes in the panoramic views of the lake and Toronto Island. For more information on this property, head to my website at dylandonovan.ca. Thanks and enjoy the tour.